Dewalt with the Powerstack. Killer deal. Big shout out to Anna from Deal Team 6 Facebook group. This is a really good deal for the price because you're getting the 850, the newer 850, the drill, and the two power stacks. This is 20 volt max 2 combo kit. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make virtual review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribing and likes, and so you won't miss any other deals. Make sure you guys stay subscribed. All right, two combo kit with Powerstack battery. So DCK 254E2. So these are two power stacks, and they're very these power stacks are really expensive, guys. Really expensive. Let's see what they have here. Nothing special, just the 850. And the DCB P034. Alright, so let's look at the price in the cart. If we can add a C pricing card, add to the cart. $200, guys. That's a really good deal for these power stacks and the two tools. Definitely check it out, guys. If you guys are looking to get into this line with some power stacks, these are great batteries. Really small, compact, great for power to size ratio. Guys, I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell icon. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.